Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will start how can you solve differential equation by using variable separable method. So whenever you are able in variable separable method, whenever you are able to make all function which is containing x and dx, that is on one hand side, and similarly the function which is containing y and dy, that is on another hand side. When you are able to separate the functions of x and functions of y with respect to dx and dy, then we are able to use variable separable methods. How can we solve? Let's start with the equation. Suppose that the equation is given by, like, question is that is you have to solve x y dash equals to 1 plus x plus y plus xy. This question is given. Let us try to solve this question by using variable separable method. Firstly, as we know that what is the meaning of y dash? Y dash is dy by dx. So how can we write it down? That is xy dy by dx equals to 1 plus x. Then from this you can take y as a common. So you will get here 1 plus x as it is. After that, here is xy dy by dx, that is, now here you can see you can write it down 1 plus x plus y 1 plus x. Now further, how can you solve it? It can be xy dy by dx. That would be, you can take 1 plus x as a common. The remaining is 1 plus y. Further, to solve this equation here, we have to use variable separable method. So what we can see, we will make the equation which is containing x on one hand side and the equation which is containing y, that is from another hand side. Now have a look how can we move further. See, here there is a dy, y, here is a term which is y, so we will write down y dy divided by 1 plus y. Similarly here 1 plus x, this is x into dx. So in this case the term which is containing y, that is on one hand side, and the term which is containing x, that is on another hand side. Now we have to just integrate these two values. How can you integrate? Now how can you write it down? We can write it down y 1 plus y dy. It can be written as 1 plus x divided by x into dx. To integrate it, how can we solve? We can write it down y plus 1 and minus 1, 1 plus y dy, that is here 1 plus x, that is dx. To further solve this equation, we will use a separated. That is 1 plus y divided by 1 plus y minus 1 plus y whole give you dy. Similarly here, that is 1 over x plus x divided by x into dx. We are just make denominator separate. Now this would be cancel out. You will left 1 minus 1 over 1 plus y dy. Similarly, it would be a 1 over x plus 1, then it is a dx. Now we will solve it by using separate integration, that is, it would be a 1 into dy minus 1 over 1 plus y into dy, that is 1 over x into dx, 1 into dx. As we know what is the integration of this, that would be a y. And what is the integration of this? It is log 1 plus y. Again, integration of this is log x, and integration of this can be taken as x, where c is taken as a constant. So this is our required solution of our differential equation. So in this way, if you have given any equation, you can solve that equation by using variable separables methods. Thank you very much.